Hello fellow Earthlings. Have you been wondering how to take a record from Airtable and convert the information within the record into a Clickup folder, list or task? If you have, then you've found the right how-to video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how I take data from an Airtable record, use Airtable Automation's run script action, and turn that record into extract information from that record, turning it into a Clickup folder, list, and task templates. So in this demo table here, I've entered a sample record. When the status of this record is marked as order paid, it goes into our order paid view. When it enters this view, we've got this automation here that is set off by that record entering that view. Following that, it runs a script which creates a Clickup folder with the business's name. Now, if we visit Clickup's API documents and scroll down to the folders section and then select create folder, this is the code here that you need to use, obviously changing the information in here to fit your requirements. That's essentially the script that we use in this action here to create a Clickup folder. So as you can see, it creates this folder here, job folder template, right? Following that, when the Clickup folder has been created, we run the script to create a list. Now, within this first script here that creates a Clickup folder, we output the response that we get from Clickup, which includes the list ID. So going back to Clickup's API, if we go to list and create list, you will see that it requires the folder ID. Sorry, not the list ID. It requires the folder ID from the folder that we created. So within this script, we output the response, and we use that response in this action here, where we've copied this script and used the response from the create the folder action to insert the folder ID in that portion there. Following on from that, we use the Clickup, the task code, create task code, right there. Actually, sorry, no, task templates, pardon me. Task templates code, because I have templates set up with fields, etc. So I use the create task from template code. So copying this code here into the next action, I create an email task from the template. As you'll see here, that's the email task right there, and it's got some of the fields filled. Then we create a phone calls task and a Zoom task. Now, all of this can be done within Airtable. There's no need for Zapier or Make.com, as much as I love both of those softwares. But I try and do as much everything in-house as I can, because it's pretty much immediate, whereas there's a little bit of wait time on Zapier and Make.com. And that's essentially it. If you've got any questions, feel free to shoot them down in the comments below. Remember to hit like and subscribe for more stuff coming soon. And have a great day.